gemuli formation. Now, what is mean by gemuli? The gemuli are generally produced by the sponges. In the sponges, there is a dormant cells, they aggregated together to form a compact group, and this compact group is covered by the membrane and it is called as inner membrane. This inner membrane is again coated by the outer membrane, and this outer membrane, it is thick, protective, hard structure, and it is produced by amoebocytes. These cells of that particular archaeocytes, they are present on the outer surface, and these amoebocytes, they secrete that particular outer membrane. Now, here there is a presence of a small opening and a tubular structure connecting the outer surface as well as the inner archaeocytes, and this is called as micropyle. These are archaeocytes. This is inner membrane. This is now these gemuli, they are produced by sponges during, yes, important thing is unfavorable condition. Unfavorable condition, that unfavorable condition of water and temperature. Now, when the sponges, we know that they are present in the aquatic condition, and in that aquatic condition, yes, there is a starvation of that particular water and temperature, or temperature is high and water is reduced. At that time, the sponges can show the formation of gemuli. Now, can we say that the sponges, those are present in the sea, produces the gemuli? No, it is particularly not. But especially the sponges which are present in the fresh water and the species like Spongiella, and the Spongiella shows the formation of gemuli. So when water is less and temperature is high, due to in that condition the animal has to survive, they will produce the gemuli. These archaeocytes, they are the dormant cells, they are covered by the protective hard membrane, and they restore as it is till the favorable condition returns. Till the favorable condition returns, means water is accumulated, temperature is appropriate or it becomes low, it will form, yes, it will break that particular outer membrane, and the archaeocytes, they will get exposed, they will multiply, and they form again the new Spongiella. So this is a particular, that is a gemuli formation. The second process, that is a budding. This is also the important process. I am keeping the diagram because two are the contrasting one. You know the particular animal, the animal from Coelenterats, that is a hydra. It is having a mouth and covered by the tentacles, the cylindrical body. The cylindrical body shows the small swelling at the base, and this is the bud. This is the bud. Now, when the bud will start sprouting, it will start for the formation of a young hydra. And when that young hydra is going to be developed, when it is going to be mature, no doubt there is a formation of mouth, and when the mouth is produced and the animal is going to be mature, at that time the small tentacles are appear. When the small tentacles are appear, later on the new hydra is going to be mature and it can cut off. When it can cut off, yes, it will get separated from the parent body and it will survive the normal life, or you may say that the new hydra is directly born on the parent's body, and that process is called as budding. In sponges, when gemuli is formed, it is formed in the unfavorable condition. Unfavorable. Here it is only takes place in favorable condition. So contrasting things are there. It is takes place in unfavorable condition to restore the life. It is takes place in favorable condition to restore the life. So generally hydra will reproduce by the budding process. Third and the important process, that is regeneration. What is that regeneration? We know the animal, that is planaria. What is that planaria? A flat one. This planaria, it shows the process of regeneration, means it will exert the pull on the anterior part on the posterior part. So what happened? Due to this pull, the anterior part will pull upward while posterior part will pull downward. When there is a pull will takes place, there is a formation of a constriction in the middle of the body part, and this pull will continue and the constriction will increases, and finally it will get break, so that anterior body part is separated and posterior body part is separated. Now there are formation of the two body parts. Now the particular character of planarians, that the anterior part will produce as the posterior part and the posterior part will produce as the anterior part, means the regeneration of body parts. The posterior body part will produce as the head portion and the anterior body part will produce as the tail portion. So that is a regeneration, important characters of planarians. So these are the three methods of asexual reproduction, that is gemuli formation, budding and regeneration in animals.